Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram story views are not showing. So let's get started. Well, the first thing you need to do is to make sure that your app is updated. So go to Play Store and type in Instagram. So here, if it says open, then your app is updated. But if it says update, then you need to update your app. So update your app. The next thing that you need to do is to clear Instagram cache. So go to settings, then scroll all the way down till you get to apps option, tap on it. A list of options will appear. Now tap on manage apps and look for Instagram. And here it is. Tap on it. Then tap on clear data. Then clear cache. Confirm. Now, if none of these things work, then you have to report a problem. So go to Instagram. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Then the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Tap on setting on privacy. Then scroll all the way down till you get to help option. Then tap on the first option, report a problem. Then write down your problem. Now once you're done, tap on send. And I hope your problem will get solved. And this is it. This is how to fix Instagram story views are not showing. Thanks for watching. See ya.